guys, welcome to another natural hair video. Today I will be walking you step by step through my natural hair wash day routine, where I'll be making a mask to replenish my hair. And I have bleached my hair, and so it has been broken down, and I've been trying to restore it. It's not brittle or damaged or anything like that, but because it has been broken down, I try to deal with it as delicate as possible. So I've been using mask that will replenish and moisturize it. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. But first I want to show you the length of my hair before we go into our no eat challenge, right? Okay, so my hair is a mess. This is wash day, and in my last video you have watched me pull up my 4 weeks hair, and you have seen the growth progress that it has made. So I just want to show you the length. So it has been twisted up from I made that video. It has been twisted up for a while. So now I'm going to show you the length before I go into anything else. As you can see, the ends of my ear are a little dry, and that's the reason why I have made this mask, because the ends that the bleach has touched is kind of dry. It's not really that fully dry, but it's kind of dry, and I just do not like the texture, so I'm trying to get it back to how it was. So here's the length of the hair. So we are going to use I'm gonna pull this over. Okay, so we are going to use this to mark the progress that my hair has made. So before the challenge starts, it's right there. So I'm going to be using stickers. I'm going to be using these stickers to actually remind us. So it's right there. Let me see again. So it's right there. Okay, so that sticker is where it is, right at this one. So it's right there before we have begin the no eat challenge, and hopefully it will actually go somewhere. So let's get straight into my wash day routine and the mask that I'm going to create. So if you have a really thick hair, then you know that washing it in section is actually life-saving. If I'm supposed to go and wash my hair like this, it might take the whole day, and I'm not really up for that. So if you really have a thick hair, then you know that it's best for you to wash it in sections. So I'll be sectioning out my hair. My twists are all over the place, but it's best for you to wash your hair in sections. So my hair is all sectioned out, ready to go. Things that I have put into that mask. So I have papaya, I have shea butter, I have coconut milk in it, and I have also honey. Okay, so I'm gonna just tell you a little bit of each of those properties as it pertains to your hair. So all these organic stuff, as I said, I only use natural things. So all these organic stuff has in a lot of properties as it pertains to your hair. Well, my main goal for my hair is to moisturize, replenish, and also strengthen. So all these products that I have has one of those properties. So I am going to start with papaya. Papaya contains vitamin A that nourishes, strengthens, and protects your hair. The honey is rich in vitamins. It also moisturizes the hair. It helps to smooth the hair follicles. And it also had sheen to your dull hair. All of those properties allow it to lock in the moisture. Now, coconut milk coconut milk is very, very important. If you do not have coconut milk, you can use coconut oil, but I rather the coconut milk though. Also helps to slow down hair loss. It also, and once again, it also restores moisture in your hair. So right. So the next one is shea butter. It contains vitamin A and vitamin E. It also had moisture and retains sheen to the hair again, and it also repairs split ends and prevent damage to ends of the. I am really concerned about the ends of my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to go straight into making the hair mask. So this is what the mixture looks like. It's kind of semi-thick because it was too thick, so I had to pour in some amount of water in it to get it all out the blender, but it's nice. So we have made the mask and it is really nice. So here it is. I'm going to go straight into washing my hair. I'm not going to go into the shower because it's going to be difficult for me to show you all the stuff that I do. So my hair is sectioned off. Okay, so I have the shampoo conditioner that I use, wash it part by part and show you exactly how that is done. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to spray with my water bottle. Straight up, like it just sud. Normally when my hair is really dirty, I normally have to sud more than one time before it can sud, but I love this shampoo. It just sud easily, like it suds really easily. This is going to be a lot messy. I'm just going to soap up each one of them and wash them and just twist it back with it, and then I'm just going to rinse it out and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to do all of them. Like I'm going to just wet it, soap it up, give it a good scrub, and then be right back with you. Okay, so we're back, and I have washed out my hair. I have a lot of shrinkage. Look at my hair. And my hair was really dirty from the 4 weeks, so I had to go more than one time through it, which takes me about an hour or more. So yeah, and I'm going to go ahead and put in the hair mask. So it's going to get a little messy. So my hair is actually getting dry already. Like if the water out of it is getting really dry. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just spray it with the spray bottle. so the mixture is all in, and I'm just gonna massage it in, and then I'll be covering it. So I'll be massaging it in, and then I'll be covering it with a plastic. The reason for the plastic bag is that it makes sure all the liquid stays inside. I can't find a cap that really does that, so I rather to put the plastic bag over it first and then put a wrap over it. But I just use the plastic bag. Also, it says recycle. I just throw it away and don't have to. Especially when you're using hair gel, it is best for you to use like things like these, because it's you can just throw it away. You don't have to think about getting all the raw smell out of your steam cap. And this also produces a lot of heat, so I'm just going to massage the mixture in just to make sure that it sits well. And I'm going to leave this for about a hour or hour and a half, and then I'll get straight back to you. Okay, so there we go. So I'm gonna let this sit for I am going to let this sit for an hour and a half, and then I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'll also comment on how it feels, and I will be telling you if I'm going to use it again. I already said that it feels amazing in it right now, and it let my ear feel so nice, but I'm yet to see what it looks like. So I'm just going to leave this for an hour and get back with you. So see you in a few. Hey guys, so it has been 1 hour and 30 minutes, and I'm now going to take it out. It smells amazing and it feels nice as well. The shrinkage is real, so I'm gonna wash it out and then come back to you. It feels amazing, like amazing. It let my ear feels nice. Definitely I'll be using this pack, but the feeling right now is really lovely.